episode of Ronan's Playhouse. Today, we're going to buzz around and learn something sweet, how bees make honey. It's going to be a fun and fascinating journey, so let's get started. Bees are nature's little superheroes. They fly from flower to flower, gathering nectar. But did you know that all this buzzing is what makes honey? Let's follow the journey of a bee as it collects nectar. Here's how it works. A bee uses its long, straw-like tongue, called a proboscis, to suck nectar from flowers. It stores the nectar in a special honey stomach until it returns to the hive. Once the bee returns to the hive, it passes the nectar to another worker bee. The second bee chews the nectar for about half an hour, mixing it with special enzymes that help turn it into honey. After that, the nectar is placed into the honeycomb cells. Now, here's where the magic happens. The bees fan their wings to create airflow, which helps the water in the nectar evaporate, turning it into thick, sticky honey. Fun fact, did you know that bees have to visit around 2 million flowers to make just 1 pound of honey? That's a lot of buzzing. Once the honeycomb cells are filled, the bees seal them with beeswax, and the honey is ready to be harvested. Beekeepers carefully collect the honey and enjoy its sweet rewards. And there you have it. Bees work really hard to make honey, and now we get to enjoy it in our teas, on toast, or just by itself as a tasty treat. All right, kids, now it's time for a fun song all about how our busy little bees make honey. Sing along with me.
Buzz, buzz, bees in the sky, making honey as they fly, fly, fly from flower to flower. It's a sweet parade, working together, honey's made. These bees buzzing around, making honey all day long. A little bit of nectar, a little bit of cheer, until we have honey sweet and clear.
Thanks for buzzing by and learning about how bees make honey with me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Ronan's Playhouse, and press that bell icon, so you never miss any sweet adventures. Until next time, keep buzzing with curiosity. See you soon. Goodbye.